Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to check my profile page for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into our video. So friends, as soon as you open your LinkedIn, search for my profile, which is Prakash K, and follow my profile, so you would be getting lots of jobs. If you can watch my profile once, trust me, you can get easily more than 100 jobs. All are genuine most of the time, but also I request you to take a look before you apply, verify. So the first job is a senior full stack developer position with French MNC for Bangalore location. If you want to apply, just share your resume with harshan.g@ehiro.com. Just pause the video and apply for the job. And next, Bangalore hiring. There is a BPO hiring for international voice process for both freshers and experienced. This person did not mention the email address, but he mentioned the direct his contact number. You can give a call and check. But I would recommend you to verify the job before you apply. Or Oyo is currently hiring for various profiles and locations, like in almost all the cities. Let me open one. So is something different. Yeah, there are a lot of things, but make sure you verify and apply them. And next, LinkedIn family who are looking for a job change in talent acquisition and recruitment. So I ask her to share the email address, so it will appear on my page, so you can probably apply. And there is a job opportunity with EFF IC, and these people are looking for sales engineer for mechatronics, 2 to 3 years, and 4 LPA would be the salary. If you want to apply, just share your updated resume with recruitment@efffichr.com. And next, ODOO is hiring for graphic designer. The job would be in Gujarat. I would be sharing this job to appear in my social media channels. And TechMent is hiring for a lot of jobs like project manager, solutions architect, CH.NET, everything. If you want to apply, just share your resume with career@techment.com. So it's better you can apply for this job. And I have shared this job. So SQL developer job is going on for B.Tech and degree in Kurnool. And Goodworker is hiring for inside sales. Noida. Looks like this is a consultancy. If you want to apply, just share your updated resume with lakshmi.sharma@netambit.net. And make sure you need to verify the jobs before you apply. And eHiro is hiring for full stack developer. And WTS Studios in Hyderabad is hiring for content writer. So if you want to apply, just share your updated resume with majid@wtsstudios.com. And so hiring for freshers, manual QA tester, experienced game tester, or fresher. The job location is in Gurgaon, and they are looking for QA testers. And just I have liked it, so you can apply. Hiring for team leaders, inside sales, and this looks like a consultancy, but pause the video and apply for this job if you found it is genuine. And there is a PMS manager. Someone is looking for PMS manager. I have shared our link. There were manager roles in my previous video. And next, urgently require maths, physics, and chemistry teacher for 9th to 10th class. And the location is in Hyderabad. If you want to apply for this role, you can send your updated resume with ziba@inimitable.in. So this is the first time I'm seeing a job for the teacher, so probably you can give it a try. And next, eHiro is hiring for recruiter in Bangalore. And next, Darwin, I don't know which company, Mo Engage is hiring for senior software engineer, so you can give a try and apply for this role. And then Let's see more. NTT Data is hiring for multiple roles. For senior developer, SailPoint, Linux administrator, Red Hat, MS Dynamic Functional Consultant, and everything in Bangalore, Noida, and North South India. So looks like a consultancy is hiring for NTT Data. Share your updated resume with Aniket.Agarwal. And Ria Vora is hiring for mean stack developer in Indore location. If you want to apply for that role, please do ahead and do that. And that's my 5 minutes, friends. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing job related information for other jobs. Until then, keep watching my videos and leave a comment on how you rate the video. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.